Turkeys are large, ground-dwelling birds native to North America, instantly recognizable by their fan-shaped tails and bald, brightly colored heads. Males, called toms, display vivid red, blue, and white skin that changes with their emotions, especially during courtship. Their most famous call is the gobble, a sound that can carry for over a mile and is used to attract females and establish dominance. Wild turkeys are surprisingly agile despite their size. They can run at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour and fly short distances at speeds exceeding 55 miles per hour. At night, they roost in trees to stay safe from predators, relying on sharp eyesight and quick reflexes to detect danger. Social animals, turkeys live in flocks organized by a clear hierarchy. Males often compete for status through displays of strutting, feather spreading, and gobbling, while females choose mates based on strength and health. Hens build simple nests on the ground, laying clutches of 10 to 14 eggs, and fiercely guard their chicks once they hatch. Domesticated turkeys, selectively bred for size, differ greatly from their wild relatives but share the same ancestry. Beyond their role in agriculture, wild turkeys are a symbol of resilience, having made a remarkable recovery in population after once being near extinction. They remain a striking reminder of the rich wildlife heritage of North America.